how to reprogram your Harbor Breeze fan remote. So this usually just means matching the dip switches between your remote and the fan receiver. So you could turn off your power force and then open the remote battery cover to find the switches. So it's usually right behind the battery slot cover, pretty much depending on what remote you're using as well. But you can always go ahead and check for your remote, since sometimes it could just be placed randomly. But anyways, once you find the dip switch for your remote, you can go ahead and then remove the fan canopy to access the receiver and match the switch pattern exactly. So it has to be the same. And then you can turn the power back on and test it out. And if your model doesn't use switches, you can restore power in within 30 seconds. You can press and hold the learn or fan button to pair the remote. So it's going to be right here. It only works if you do have battery in it. So make sure you put in a battery and then you press the learn key. So make sure no other remotes are nearby as well, so they don't interfere during pairing, as this can affect the signal. And if this still doesn't work for some apparent reason, you can do the basic troubleshooting, which is by replacing the batteries and staying within range, and double check the switch alignment. Again, make sure they're exactly the same with the receiver and your remote. And then resetting power and repeating the pairing steps usually fixes most issues, and also ensure the battery is inserted correctly. So as you can see over here, it is upright and it's going to be directly placed like so. And the contacts are clean, the battery itself does have enough power, and poor connection can prevent the remote from sending signals properly, so make sure you have that in mind as well. But that is pretty much the general idea on how you can do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.